Hi! In this video I'm gonna show you how to make lard, and I'm gonna tell you what you can use lard for, and I'm gonna take you to my favorite pig farmer, and he's gonna explain to you why his pigs are better than organic pigs. Go check it out.
An organic pig has got just as much space as in this freezer. This is 2.3 square meters.
So I'm making lard today, and this is what it looks like before we get started. It's the fat of the kidney of a pig. So it's in the pan right now, and I'm gonna put it on a low fire, and I'm gonna put the top on it, and then in about 10-15 minutes there's gonna be all the fat is going to come out of it. And we're gonna switch fires at that point. So now you can see they're starting to shrink a little bit. The fat is coming out. I'm gonna keep it in there a little bit longer because I want the little pieces of fat to really be drowning in the fat. That's what I'm going for before I'm gonna set it onto a lower fire. So now you can see there's a lot more fat, and I'm gonna put it on a smaller fire so it can get all drained in fat. When I've done that long enough and the larger chunks of fat are shrinking more and more and most of the fat is out of it, I'm going to sift it. You see, this is what I was going for. Now it's drowning in it, and I think I can leave it like this for a bit longer so the pieces of fat can get a little bit more crunchy. That's how it's supposed to be. So I'm gonna call it quits at this point. I think it's dark enough, and now it looks like a kind of apple juice when I'm gonna sift it right now. As you can see, it has the same color as apple juice. You have to be very careful while sifting it because it's extremely hot. You can really use lard for anything. They don't advise you to do that. They advise you to just bake meat in it. But I've actually, because I think you're supposed to do it a little bit longer, because I've seen other examples of lard and then it has more of a smell to it. My smell's pretty neutral, and I have used it to make tomato sauce. I use it really for anything, to bake an egg in, everything. I use it for everything. So that's my personal preference. Always, because it's so hot, always be very careful with it. Careful with the sifting, careful with baking. Just be careful, okay? And I'm gonna show you tomorrow when it's all cooled down. And here we are the next morning. This is what it has become. And I can just scoop out a little bit of the lard and put it in a pan and use it. And here we are, piggy in the snow. Oink, oink. Oh, there's even more piggies. Piggy, happy piggy. Hi, so here we are at my favorite pig farmer.
Yo.
And as I told you, these pigs are better than organic pigs, and Edwin is gonna tell you why.
Organic pigs. Well, organic pigs are not always free-range pigs. An organic pig has got normally about 2.3 square meters, and our pigs has got about 1,000 square meters. That's why we think that our pigs are happier than organic pigs. An organic pig has got just as much space as in this freezer. This is 2.3 square meters. They got 1.3 square meter inside and 1 square meter outside, and that's it. And they get about 7-8 months old. The way to the butcher is not always that funny. and well, we do it all ourselves.
So that's how you do it, really. When you want to know where your food comes from, you have to talk to the people that actually make the food so you can find out. I don't have a trip planned to the actual farm anytime soon because the farm, I don't drive, so I'll have to take my bicycle into the train, and it's quite a thing. So I don't have that planned, but as I said, he is my favorite pig farmer. So yes, indeed, I am friendly with more pig farmers and other cattle farmers. And I think a trip is due soon to one of the other farmers. And that's going to be interesting as well. So I'll definitely show you. Thank you so much for watching the video. And if you'd like to see more videos of this, please let me know. Bye.